You guys need an extra sack for trash? Here. Those are biodegradable ones too. You guys need an extra sack for your trash? Salamat. Hey guys, you need an extra sack for your trash, or you got one? Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good morning, good afternoon. You need an extra sack for your trash? Ballyhoog. Let's try and keep the beaches clean so we don't have as much work. You guys need a sack too?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, thank you.
Here's an extra sack for your basura.
Thank you.
How you guys doing on sacks for your trash? You need an extra one for your trash?
For the trash.
Yes. Okay, thank you guys. Now the day after the fiesta, June 25th, I handed out a whole lot of trash sacks down here. There's 100 people here probably. And check it out. Just a little bit of push like that and it works. I don't see any trash. They picked it all up, took it home. Very nice. Very nice. It's limpio kaayo. I love it. Everybody took their trash home. Check it out. Don't even have to bring girls down here. I was thinking, well, we'll have to come down and do this beach. No. Cabo isn't quite this clean, but it's not bad.